What's up guys, it's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company and we are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our brand new 2019 Volvo XC60. This one's got the Momentum trim, really nice sporty looking trim. You got these LED headlights up front. You see this T-shaped light in the middle, that's all LED. Got parking sensors on the front, chrome trimming on the front grille there. Two-tone alloy rims, these things look incredible. We got a super sleek white paint job on this Volvo. It's got no dents, no scratches, anything like that. Keyless entry, back bumper sensors as well. Bumper sensor exhaust system back here. This is the T5 model. And then an automatic power lift gate. All you gotta do is push that button. You got a backup camera to the right there. Seats up to 5 people comfortably. We got a chocolate brown leather interior. Back here you do get the all-terrain rubber mats, a 12-volt socket over to the left, and then this covering will hook up on the sides here. And it's adjustable too, so that's pretty cool. You can put the seats forward with these two buttons. To put it down, just tap that. It'll close automatically. Other than that though, like I said, it does get keyless entry. You do get blind spot monitors on the rearview mirrors. You can see this arrow icon there. Let's check out the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior of this Volvo, we have a really nice steering wheel. It comes with Bluetooth capabilities. You got your voice control, you got your cruise control. Over to the left you can find your trunk latch. You got memory seating on both front seats, driver's side and passenger side there. Chrome trimmed door handles. All 4 of these windows are automatic up and down. This is a cool feature Volvo does. If you tap the left and right buttons, it'll actually fold the mirrors inward. Over on the screen here we have a massive touchscreen display. Comes with your climate controls down on bottom. You got dual zone AC. You can scroll this really easily. And then in the middle you'll have all your air adjustment. So all of it's up on the screen. You also do have heated seats, heated steering wheel button there as well. Comes with navigation. You got a couple different options here. This is really nice because it's tablet style. You can just scroll there. Comes with AM FM radios. You got your Bluetooth capabilities, USB port here, iPod, driver performance there. And then it also does come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 extremely helpful features. You can hook up your cell phone through the USB port. It'll open up your own personal music apps or navigation apps all up on the big screen. And this will just act as a home button, so you can just tap that. It'll bring it back home. Really nice touchscreen. Behind that you get a little bit of space. You can close this up. Got a 12-volt socket, 2 cup holders, and then it's got a covering as well. Instead of a push to start, you have this knob. You just turn it to the right to start and to stop it. You got your drive modes just below that in the scroll knob. Comes with Eco, Comfort, Dynamic, and Off-Road. Dynamic will be your sport mode. Also does come with an electric e-brake, leather-wrapped gear shifter, really nice. Throw it into reverse so you can see the backup camera. So you got a couple of different options. It's got the guidance lines as you turn the steering wheel. You can change the zoom. You can change the lines here. Got your parking sensors. In the console here, it's leather wrapped. You get 2 USB ports in there. Pretty spacey console as well. Like I said, it's got a chocolate brown leather interior, and these seats are comfortable. We have lots of legroom in the front and in the back here. AC vents are on the sides. And then you got a little bit of lighting. Lastly, up on the rearview mirror, it is seamless. It goes all the way to the edges there. You get the direction up on the top right, home link down on bottom, and then a panoramic moonroof that shoots all the way to the back of the SUV. Controls for that are just up in front of it here. But overall, with the Momentum trim, this comes with a ton of cool features. Really premium interior. One more really nice feature on this touchscreen, so if you can turn to the right and see all your audio options, you can turn to the left and actually find all of your vehicle functions. So not only do you have your blind spot monitors on your rearview mirrors, but you also have lane keep, you got cross traffic alert, your blind spot monitors are right here. You also do have seat adjustment, collision assistance, and then up top you can see your park assist, automatic engine start and stop system, traction control. Lots of really nice stuff to do up on this screen, really informative. To wrap it up on this XC60, guys, it's in great condition. It doesn't have a single damage or accident on its Carfax report. It's got just over 24,000 miles. Under the hood, It's got a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. This is the Momentum T5, so it's a pretty sporty SUV. It seats up to 5 people comfortably. With that engine, you get up to 22 miles per gallon in city and 29 on the highway. Comes with some really nice alloy rims, parking sensors on the front and back of the SUV, pretty slick backup camera. And then on the interior, we get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto up on that really nice touchscreen display. You get heated seats, navigation, really nice interior. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.